Hello guys, I'm Sita. You watch Magic Pinkoo Art. Today we draw our shapes. Triangle shapes, 3D and 2D shapes. Parallelogram. This shape is a pentagon. Square shape. Circle shape. And last, heart shape. Let's color time. Red color, triangle inside red color. Parallelogram inside color is a pink color. Pentagon inside color is a orange. Square shape is green color. Circle shape is yellow color. Heart shape is a blue color. Thanks to keep watching and like, share, subscribe my channel. Goodbye.